Hello everyone, how are you? I hopefully everyone is fine and today I will presentation about my final exam in water resource management. So my topic is planning and suitability assessment of large-scale nature-based solution for flood risk reduction. So before I presentation about my final exam, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadil Karuniansyah and I'm civil engineering student in Batam International University. So, go back to my presentation. This is a table of content. Before I give my presentation, I will give you about table of content and about this topic. First, you will see abstract. The section describe the main point of the research. Second, introduction. The section describe the general point of the research. Third, method dissection, describe how to research this object. Fourth, result, dissection explains result of the research. And fifth, conclusion, dissection describe the conclusion of the research. Okay, this is an abstract. You will see in the left side, this is condensation and percolation. Okay, next. This is abstract from this journal. Adverse effects of climate change are increasing around the world and the floods are posing significant challenge for water managers, with climate projections showing increased risk of storm and extreme precipitation. This of traditional measure alone is no longer an option. Nature-based solution or NBS offer a suitable alternative to reduce the risk of flooding and provide multiple benefits. The methodology was implemented within the toolbox of SREARch map software in order to map suitability for four types of NBS intervention. First, floodplain restoration, detention basins, retention ponds, and river widening. The toolbox developed were applied to the case study area in Serbia, the Tamnava River basins. Everyone, you can see in the right side, this is a picture of on the top is a mountain and in the under is the lake. Yeah. Next, this is introduction. Introduction not from me, but introduction in my presentation. So, the risk of adverse effect of climate change and subsequent impact of hydrometeorological hazard is increasing all over the world. Consequently, flooding is considered a critical risk that needs to be addressed due to significant impact of human life, the environment, and the economy. Conventional mitigation measures include gray infrastructure. For example, concrete structure, underground drain pipes, pumping station that do not easily adapt to future uncertainties such as climate change. Measures that employ natural process, namely nature-based solutions, are in general more adaptive. So this is a location on Tamfana River. Uh, you will see this is a Tamfana River and Tamfana basins. Method. While it has been established that the tool review cannot be used for the exercise, the method and criteria used for determining suitability of NBS in this tool have a good potential for use in allocation of large-scale NBS. A novel method and tool for mapping suitability of for large-scale NBS. First, floodplain restoration, detention basins, retention ponds, and river widening are developed by first, determining criteria for spatial allocation of NBS. Second, development of a conceptual models. Third, development of toolbox for spatial allocation of large-scale NBS. And fourth, applying the toolbox in a reconnect study area. You will see in the right side, this is a method from this project or research. This is a result from this project. Okay, you will see 105 regions, 91 regions, and 14 regions in the use from this project. And this is a result. This is a result of sample, the location and result of sample. You will see in the left side, this is a detention basin or retention ponds. In the right side, this is a floodplain restoration. Allocation of NBS. NBS natural-based solution, and this is map of allocation of NBS. First, you will see the color of blue is a river, the color of green, detention of basins, yellow floodplain restoration, and orange retention ponds. Conclusion. The present paper describes our methodology and toolbox for mapping suitability of large-scale NBS for flood risk reduction in catchment using GIS MCA. The novel methodology incorporates criteria used for determining suitability of NBS in existing tools, which are incapable for large-scale NBS. This research identifies 7 existing tools that can be used in selection and spatial allocation of NBS. These tools were analyzed for their capability in allocation of large-scale NBS. The study found that these tools are limited to urban catchment in terms of the catchment type, limited to small-scale NBS, or highly specific to the context in which the tools were developed. It was established that these tools are not adequate for allocation of large-scale NBS. So this is a resource from journal. I get this journal from Scopus, and this is a journal from the tablet. Okay, thank you very much. This is my presentation, and see you.